Hi guys! Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful moms out there. Tara, food trip tayo. Andito nga pala kami ngayon sa Eclair Bar Bakery Shop. Located sila sa Caltex along Marcos Highway, Cross Robinsons Metro East. Ito nga pala yung menu nila. As always, post nyo na lang for reference para sa future visit nyo. Yung mga in-order namin. Clubhouse sandwich with chips on the side. Baked ziti na talagang nagustuhan ko. Strawberry brioche for chichay na tuwang-tuwa sa strawberry. Next naman, isang strawberry choco mousse Nutella hazelnut croissant. Super bet na bet ng kids ko. Next is Biscoff waffle. Okay, one bite lang and then next naman itong coffee fudge, chocolate mousse, and triple chocolate eclairs. Now lang ako nakatikim nito pero ang sarap pala talaga. No? Malambot yung pinakatinapay niya and ang sarap ng fillings. Oo nga pala, we also ordered some drinks. Java chips, strawberry cream frap, and triple chocolate frap. Cheers sa atin, girls! They also offer Eclair bar carts na perfect for any special event. This Mother's Day, they offer Eclair box for only 699 pesos. And they also have Mother's Day cake for only 999 pesos. They are still accepting pre-orders nga pala, pero hanggang 8:30 PM tomorrow lang. Kaya spoil your mom na and go on a date with her. Ayun lang, bye-bye!